How to sell vector art on Shutterstock. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell vector art on Shutterstock. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shutterstock, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, in selling a vector art on Shutterstock, we're going to use this platform called Canva.com in designing or creating our design or project in here, in which it is a versatile graphic design platform that empowers users to create a wide range of visual content, from social media graphics to presentations and marketing materials. And it offers an intuitive drag-and-drop interface, making a design accessible to both beginners and professionals. And users can choose from 1,000 of templates, images, and fonts, allowing for extensive customization in here. So you could also click the link in the description and start signing in your account on Canva in here. So now to proceed creating a design, just click this custom size button under this home page, and after that under this custom size option, but make sure that the units is in pixel and the width of it is 4010 by 3010 pixel. And after that, just click create new design button, and upon clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on this page. And from here, to start designing, we can simply click or choose the background color in here. On the left side panel, we have here a variety of solid colors to choose from. So firstly, I'm going to choose this color, which is blue. And after that, you could also navigate some of the editing tools on the left side panel, such as this text, by clicking on it. As you can see, we can start adding here a heading by clicking add a heading button, and just simply enter here the text that you prefer. For example, I'm going to enter promo now. But if you want to make it creative, you can simply do or change the font size of it by clicking on the top panel and choose the font size and the font style on the left side panel in here. You have here a variety of options to choose from. So basically, as you can see, I'm just creating a simple banner in here that will be sold on our Shutterstock. And we could also change the arrangement of the context in here depending on your preferences or your creativity in here. So at this point, I'm just going to input here the context promo at this arrangement, and I'm going to paste this or change the location of it in here. And I'm going to do the same process on entering the now button. So as you can see, it is currently simple and attached on both sides of our Canva or our design in here. So you can also change the color of it if you want to, the size. By clicking on the left side panel, it will show us a variety of default colors or palette to choose from. And now after that, I'm just going to select here to add a heading once again. And at this point, we're going to add the promo, which is buy one, take one. And once again, just simply highlight this text. If you want to change the font size of it, it will show you on the left side panel a variety of font style and size that you can choose from. So you can simply choose, depending on your preferences, a different kind of font style in here to try. And it will show you what it looks like upon clicking on it. And aside from that, you could also highlight this one, or simply drag the corner of it if you want to make it bigger on this page. So this is basically what it looks like. And if you also want to add another elements, you can click the element section on the left side panel. And from here, just search on the search bar. For example, I'm going to enter the number 1. And after that, just simply choose here the graphic design of one that you prefer. So it will show us a variety of options to choose from. And some of this graphic designer offer for free, while some of this are offer with premium account. So I'm going to choose this one. Upon clicking on it, it will show you that it is now currently added in here. So we can simply change the location of it in here and do the same process on the other one, which is buy one take one. And now aside from this one, we could also add another kind of elements. For example, I'm going to enter save up to 25%. But below this graphic section, it will show us the option, but I'm going to choose this one right here, or this 30%. Now this is basically what it looks like. And at this point, I'm just going to replace or change the background color to red. Well, for the other context, I'm going to make it white instead of black in here. And now as you can see, this is basically what it looks like. And now to download this one, just click the share button on the top right corner. But before that, we can firstly enter here the name or the title of this graphic or banner that we just created in here. I'm going to enter here buy one take one. And after that, just click the share button and click download to proceed. And under this file type, just simply select here the option which is SVG. However, you must have an upgrade account in order to download into SVG and click this download button to proceed. And after downloading it, it will now show you that the next thing that you need to do is to simply convert this SVG file into the file that is acceptable for Shutterstock. So we're going to use this conversion.co. So from here, just simply upload the file. And after that, just proceed by simply select here the vector option and click or choose EPS, since that is the file type that are acceptable by Shutterstock in vector. And upon clicking that, just click the convert button to proceed. And all you need to do is wait for it to load. And after that, you just click this download button after the conversion is now being completed. After successfully downloading this converted graphic design, the next thing that we need to do is to simply go to shutterstock.com in here, in which it is a prominent media technology company specializing in photography, stock footage, stock music, and creative editing tools. And now to proceed, you simply scroll down on this folder section, kind of click the sell your content button, and you will be directed in here, and it will show you how you can become a contributor. So we can simply follow all of this step, and to do that, just click the get started. Then you will be directed in here how you can start creating your free account. So just simply enter here your full name, display name, your email address, and many more. After signing in, you will be directed on this home page, and to proceed, just simply go to this portfolio button and click submit content to proceed. In which upon clicking on submit content button, the next thing that we need to do is to simply upload here the content or the graphic design that we just convert earlier. So make sure to choose the EPS file type or the converted one, and after uploading it, the next thing that we need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information and the details before sharing this or selling this one into Shutterstock. Now on the right side panel, we have here the description to describe what kind of design that we just created. For example, I'm going to enter here buy one take one, but below you also need to enter here the keywords which probably describe our graphic design in here. So you can simply enter here many keywords depending on your preferences, in which the more keywords the better. However, if you scroll down below here, it will show you some of the additional suggested keywords that you could also add. So right here, we can see here is advertising, background, this banner, business, campaign, and many more. So basically, you can simply click on it to add these keywords or tags in here. And also select here the category, which is business and finance. I'm going to select. And for the image type, either photo or illustration. And for the usage, you could use it for commercial or editorial depending on your preferences. But I'm going to choose here this commercial option. And after selecting or filling out all of this required information, just click the submit button to proceed. And after that, it will now show you in here that one asset has now been submitted successfully. It is now currently on the pending section, and once it has been reviewed, it will now automatically be added in the marketplace of Shutterstock as vector art that we just created on Canva. Well, on the website panel, you could also navigate here the portfolio, the insights, your total earnings, and any other options in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can sell vector art on Shutterstock. Thank you.